Hello,
It's
911. Is
911.
it 911?
It's 911. How may I help you?
There's a kid spray painting my car right now, bro. I don't know him.
He's vandalizing your car right now. What's the address of your location?
I got you. Yeah, you got it?
Yeah, we are.
God, that's your brother. What the fuck, bro? He's still going? What the? What the? I just got a call!
Everyone out of his car. Go check everybody.
Yo, Gio!